Here comes if and Boolean thinking. We are going with the variable declaration people, cats and dogs. There are three variables are declared here, and then the corresponding question like people less than cats, like we are comparing the two values like people and cats. If there's less than that, the people number is less than the cats, then too many cats, the world is doomed, something, some statement is written. If it is a greater than that, not many cats, like that the corresponding statements are written based on that condition. So this part, right, that whatever the less than or greater than that condition is put along with the if condition. So whenever if comes, assume or understand that there is a condition is being tested. Based on that either true or false outcome, the corresponding statement will be executed. If it is wrong, it is wrong, like if people is greater than cats or something, right, then it won't, this won't take up. Here too many cats, the world is doomed. So in this series of statements, people number is less than the cat, so by this one got executed, and rest are not. And then people number is greater than dogs, the world is dry, so that is why it is coming. So again this can be extended, not only these, the less than or greater than, there are many other conditions also possible. Less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, only equal to, these are all condition being tested in this place. Okay.